Hey, it's Andrea Camille, and today I'm coming to you from the beautiful Hawaii, state of Hawaii. And today I'm at the Hilton Hawaiian Village Beach Resort and Spa, and I'm going to do a room tour. As you enter, to the right is the bathroom. You have your typical sink, your washcloth, and the products they use is called Avenue Rainbow Coconut Mango Moisturizer. And then you have your toilet. And then your tub, nice size tub. And you have your washcloths and towels. And then you have the products, more products that they use. The coconut mango shampoo, coconut mango conditioner, and a coconut mango body wash. And as you exit the bathroom, straight across from the bathroom, you have your area where you can put your snacks and your drinks and your food. You have your ice chest for ice. And then you have your coffee machine. And you can make tea also. They have the caffeine-free chamomile herbal infusion. And then you have your refrigerator. And as you exit, to the right is your main room. You have a sitting area, or you can put your suitcase there, but you can have, family and friends that are visiting sit here. And then you have your closet. It's a nice big closet, plenty of room. And this is also where they keep the safe. And they have extra blanket in case you need it. And then you have your clock and your lamp on one nightstand. You have two nightstands, one on each side of the bed. This is a king size room. So you have your king size bed. And then you have your television set. And then your dresser drawers where you can put your clothes. I have packing tubes, so I just throw my packing tubes inside of here. And then you have another nightstand with a telephone on this side. And then you have a sofa. I'm sure there's a pull-out sofa also. So if you have more than two people, you can pull that out. And then you have your little table. And if you've come to Hawaii and you need to work, you can work here. Hopefully you don't have to. But here's your desk that you can work from. And then as you enter outside, this is the city view, but it's overlooking the pool. And it's a nice view. Can't wait to see it during the day. There's a nice gentle breeze. These buildings are nice and tall. So, if you're interested in coming to Hawaii and you'd like to book a hotel, feel free to reach out to me. Not only Hawaii, anywhere in the world, I can help you book. You can check out my website, vacationadvertiser.com, or send me a call. Call me or send me a text to 202-600-6866. And if you're interested in becoming a travel agent and interested in getting the perks and discounts of becoming a travel agent, you can check out my website, travelagentclass.com, and you can reach me at the same phone number, 202-600-6866. Once again, this is Andrea Camille coming to you from the Hilton Village Waikiki Beach Resort. I'm out until my next amazing destination. Bye for now.